Step up your audio connectivity game with J&D dual 6.35mm to XLR female to dual 6.35mm TS mono male stereo cables. Our cables feature gold-plated connectors renowned for their exceptional connectivity and corrosion resistance. The gold plating not only enhances signal integrity, but also ensures a secure, reliable connection, minimizing signal loss and maximizing audio fidelity. The dual 6.35mm TS mono male ends are perfect for connecting to a wide range of audio devices, from microphones, instruments, to mixers and amplifiers. Meanwhile, the XLR female connectors provide a professional-grade interface for balanced audio signals, commonly used in live sound, studio recordings, and broadcast applications.